Io's workshop in a small workshop bustling with gadgets and blueprints. A young African inventor named Io unwraps a sleek black box. Inside is the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5G, its glossy surface catching the light as he carefully lifts it out. The device represents everything he's dreamed of, a chance to bridge tradition and modern technology, to bring his community into a new digital age. Io unfolds the phone with a smile, watching the large screen light up. To him, this is more than just a phone. It's the tool he needs to create an app that could help artisans like his friend Zara connect with the world, sharing their stories and crafts on a platform accessible to everyone. Zara's boutique a few streets away. Zara stands proudly in her boutique, surrounded by vibrant handmade fabrics, pottery, and jewelry. Wrapped in colorful African attire, Zara is a talented artisan who believes in preserving her community's culture. She creates each piece by hand, infusing them with stories passed down through generations. For her, technology often feels like a threat to this heritage, something that could easily replace the personal connections she cherishes. Zara and Io are close friends, united by their love for their community, but divided by their visions of progress. Io believes in the power of tech to help artisans like Zara reach more people. Zara, however, fears that Io's app might overshadow the humanity and tradition in every handmade piece. Io's vision back in his workshop. Io explores the Galaxy Fold's dual app feature. On one side of the screen, he's using a design app to plan his project. On the other, he's drafting notes for the app's features. He imagines artisans like Zara using this app to share their crafts with the world, each piece accompanied by a story. His mind races with possibilities, but he knows Zara's opinion won't be easy to sway. Face-to-face connections later, Io visits Zara to share his idea. He watches her interacting with a customer, showcasing her handcrafted jewelry with pride and passion. Her boutique is filled with the colors and textures of African culture, and every piece tells a story. Zara believes that real connections happen face-to-face, with each item given the time and respect it deserves, not displayed on a screen. When Io explains his vision, Zara hesitates. She respects his dream, but worries that technology might erase the personal touch in her work. Her crafts, she explains, are not just items to be bought and sold, they're a part of her culture. High stakes. Io's chance to bring his idea to life arrives when he learns about a tech competition, where young inventors present projects that could benefit the community. Filled with excitement, he convinces Zara to join him. The two friends stand side by side on stage, each presenting their vision to the crowd. Io holds up the Galaxy Fold 5G, demonstrating how his app could amplify Zara's work, connecting artisans with customers worldwide. The crowd is impressed, inspired by the possibilities of his tech-driven future. Then, Zara steps forward, showcasing her handcrafted artifacts. She speaks passionately about the importance of preserving culture and the value of face-to-face interaction, captivating the audience with her heartfelt words. The room is silent, each person contemplating the clash of two powerful visions, one rooted in tradition, the other in innovation. Blending tradition and technology after the competition, Io and Zara sit together, realizing they both want the same thing: to uplift their community. They talk through the night, discovering ways to blend their ideas. Io proposes that his app could share Zara's story, highlighting the hands and history behind each piece, while Zara agrees that the app could help artisans like herself connect with customers far and wide without losing the essence of their work. They shake hands, a new partnership born from the fusion of tradition and technology. Together, they design an app that will showcase not only the beauty of their crafts, but also the depth of the stories behind them, allowing their culture to shine in a modern light. A united vision, Io and Zara, now partners, launch their app with the support of their community. Standing side by side, they look out over their city at sunset, the Galaxy Fold 5G in Io's hand symbolizing their united vision. A future where heritage and technology uplift each other. Through their journey, Io and Zara find that true progress doesn't erase the past. Instead, it honors the roots that gave it strength, blending tradition and innovation to create something truly unique.